3, let's go!
Incorporate vertical stripes in your closet. I mean, it's back in the trend. And how? It gives out an illusion that you have longer legs and slimmer body. You can go for palazzos, striped denims, jumpsuits, so many options and so many varieties to choose from. There are n number of materials also that you can choose from, be it polyester, denims, anything. Skater dresses and A-line dresses are going to be your savior as it accentuates your upper body. Remember to always draw attention away from your lower body and wear something that accentuates your upper body. Also, if you can, then go for short length skater dresses as it's going to look really flattering if you are someone short. But if you're not comfortable, that is also okay. Just opt for your desired length.
When love comes in,
Flared pants are amazing for pure shape body type. The trick here is to balance out those wide hips and those fuller thighs. And what better way to wear it? I mean, come on, it's back in the trend. Let's make the most out of it before it becomes outdated. And there are n number of varieties that you can choose from. Also the material like this cotton, polyester, linen, suede, anything and everything is available, and obviously denim. Some of you guys would be like, yeah, wo sab to theek hai, but like I don't really want to invest in the trend, because obviously I understand trends come and go. So I understand and I got you guys. If you're comfortable wearing your trusty good old skinny jeans, then go ahead. Just make sure that you go for a high-waisted denim, as it's gonna give you that elongated frame and the illusion of longer legs. Also, a pro tip here, try and go for darker colors when you are choosing your bottoms, because colors play a very important role. Skirts are going to be your best friends. It makes you look chic and also defines your body type at the same time. Try going for a length that is flattering for your height. Somewhere above the knee or maybe even shorter is flattering for my height. So yeah, depending on how tall you are, just choose the length of the skirt right, and I think you should be good to go. about shorts, again go for high-waisted denims or flared shorts like so, and if you can then try and team it up with a crop top, as the little bit of skin showing outfit looks so good, but only if you're comfortable. If you're not, then maybe go for a bodysuit, because that's also gonna look really good with those flared shorts.